Hello everyone. Today's recipe is couscous. It's a breakfast recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. Here I have soaked in 1.5 cups of couscous in hot water, double the size, added in bit of salt, and we have oil, curry leaves, turmeric powder, urad dal, ginger garlic paste, jeera, chana dal, 1 onion and 2 tomatoes finely chopped. All of them are medium, along with 2 green chilies, some salt. So let's start cooking. I have taken this vessel for cooking. So let's switch on the flame as medium. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of oil here. You can use olive oil for a healthier version. Add in 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of chana dal, half a teaspoon of urad dal. So they are beginning to splutter. Add in 1 sprig of curry leaves, give it a good mix. So we are adding in the chopped ingredients here. So as you can see, couscous is a very healthy breakfast recipe and you can Google it to find the health benefits. It is a wonderful breakfast recipe to enjoy. It has many health benefits and it's very tasty too. That's the plus point. So you can enjoy it as a breakfast recipe or a lunch recipe or a dinner recipe, but mostly it is made for breakfast. So give this mixture a good mix. So now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So hope you guys are doing great, and please check out my other videos, and you can check out my tomato rice recipe, my radish curry recipe. I will add it to the link in the description and also above here. So we close this and cook till the onions and the tomatoes are done. You guys can go and again check out my festival videos, my routine videos, my cooking videos, my vlog. I just do the things that come to my mind. I'm just not a single topic vlogger or something. whatever interests me, I just go ahead and put it in the video and share it with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it and you guys are with me, you know. So now we can see that the mixture is done. This is when we reduce the flame to low here. Adding in salt, add salt as per your taste. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Then you add in the couscous. So the soaked couscous, you have to strain it till all the water is gone, and then you add it to this. Mix it well. Now we are going to add the couscous. There's another name of couscous. If you know, you can comment down in the section below. It's something called panta dana or something. We need to check. So if you know, you can just go and comment down in the comment section below. So we give this a good mix till all the ingredients are mixed well, incorporated well. As I said, I just make videos that interest me and I really enjoy sharing with you guys. I just love to see your comments. I just love to see your appreciation. You guys mean the real friends to me, you know. So I am really, I would share lots of love and I would also expect love from you guys too. So I just want to be friends and share my video ideas with you guys and just love what I do, that's it. So here as we mix the couscous, we have put the flame to low, cooked it for 2 minutes, and now you can see that your couscous is completely done. So give it a final mix and you can switch off the flame and serve it on a plate. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also hit the notification bell if you haven't done so that you'll never miss one of my videos. And I will see you all next time with another recipe or another video. So till then, take care. Bye guys. See you.